What's going on, folks? Alright, I'm going to pick one from Steel Pinnings, but before that, you already know what I'm going to say. Go check that description. Got Steel Pinnings info down there, and I also got my email and my Discord link down there. Go check us out. Great group of people on there. A lot of knowledge. Especially if you're a beginning picker, check us out. We've got a lot of people on there that are willing to help teach you how to pick, but you have to follow the rules. And it's nothing different than normal rules of block sport. We're not going to teach you how to commit a crime, and we're not going to, this is all educational purposes only for hobbies. So, but definitely a lot of good people on there. Go check us out. Alright. As I was saying, this is a Steel Pinnings lock. No name for it, just pinned by Steel Pinnings. And not sure if you're going to be able to make that out. Got the skull and crossbones on the key. And then the smiley face on the lock. So let's go and throw it in a vise and see what we can do here. See if I can pick it or if you guys are going to laugh at me for failing. And we're going to use, I've got no idea what to pick, but this is a pick handle that Foxy designed. I've got another one that he actually printed right here. I won his 3D printed giveaway. But here's the other one that he designed. So we're going to use this one. For people that know that I 3D print but are not on my Discord server, this one, don't look too much at the quality of this one. This one got messed up in the process of being printed and it ended up being mine. But I've started selling these these pick stands on my Discord server. If you email me, I've got other stuff too. I've got like followers and things. But if you email me what you want, we can talk price. The pick stands themselves I sell for $30 each. And if you buy so many, I'll include shipping, but most of the time you have to pay shipping. So let's stop jack and jaw and throw a pick to the lock and open it, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Alright. None of these pins know exactly what they want to be. Whether they want to click in place or if they want to just be a pain or what. And that's going to cause me issues. Let's do this. throw my tensioner in it. And go after my other tall hook. There we go, getting somewhere this way. That was an oversight. I haven't picked a Steel Pinnings lock in a while. At one point in time I had several of his. That was a good click, a lot better than the last time I got one off of number 1. That's a lot of slop in the top of that keyway with that tension wrench. There we go. Had a very slight counter on number 5. Had to manual counter. And let's zoom out. That way I don't take it out of frame. Oh, that one came off easy. Now we're going to use these followers this time. Went pawn shop hopping back right where I live, and I found these followers plus one of the big lab pinning kits for, that was $100. They sold it to me for $100. Wasn't going to use a shim, but I just quickly decided that. I don't know which style core this is. Some of these have slots in the side. Come on. Alright, since I decided to shim it, I'm not going to fight to keep it from falling down the center. We're going back with one of my homemade aluminum ones. Oh, cool. I didn't have to shim it. I won't be using that to put it back together, I'll tell you that. And that is all stock in the core. Very nicely serrated on one. Very tall, standard on two. Single wide serration on three. This one looks like a Bill Bacardi bidding. Up, down, up, down. Standard on 4 and serrated on 5. And nothing done to the core at all. Let's see what we put up in the top. Very nice wide serration with a spool. Let's see if these work better for getting these springs out. There's like a commercial spool there. It looks like it was wanting to be an Asa barrel. Very light springs. That one came out like that. Get off. I'm either have to find a way to demagnetize these or get brand new tweezers. Let's see. There we go. No, we're not going to play that game. I see a steel spring. Alrighty. I'm still not prepared well. Still don't have a flashlight here. Nothing done to the top. And nothing done to the bottom. Just amazing pin work. There's that killer pin work by Steel Pinnings. Serrated, and then a serrated spool with a single serration above it. Commercial spool and a standard. Double wide serration or wanting to be an Asa barrel with a spool, narrow spool on the key pin. Sorry, I keep turning it. Let's see. That's a spool with a serration on it, serrated for the key pin on 5, and a nice long spool on the driver. Alright folks, check us out on Discord. A lot of great people there, and until next time folks, I will catch you later.